Yeah. Like I said, I don't think she bothered to measure the garden before she ordered the TP. What she's got to say.
Oh my god. It's huge! I didn't know it was that big.
Is it big enough?
Look at this, Daisy.
Why does Daisy say, oh God?
Because she didn't like it. Is this the entrance?
Yeah.
Oh, piggy! Wow! That's fantastic!
Hello!
That was that big.
Usually when you order things you do get dimensions on them.
I know, but you don't bother looking, you think it's a kid's teepee. Goodness gracious.